Hi, I'm Andy, and I would like to show you Blizzard from Flojos. This amazing boot is made out of a suede leather upper with raw seam details and a faux fur trim with wooden button details. It continues into the collar too. It's incredibly soft to touch, and these little buttons are functional. You can undo them and make it easier to slide in and out of the boot. The faux fur continues all the way through and wraps around your feet to keep your feet nice and warm and cozy, and you have a textured outsole for stability. Enjoy your winter wonderland with the Blizzard from Flojos.